Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 1, and now we will explain about incomplete adjective clause. Member of the group are Marshanda Oktaviani, Zumaratul Salehah, Shanas Atika, and me, Zakiatul Salihah. Okay, for the first presentation from Marshanda Oktaviani. To Marshanda Octaviani, time is yours.
Okay, adjective clause is also called relative clause. The joint sentence, the adjective clause modify, describe, noun or the verb noun in another clause of the sentence. Characteristic of adjective clause must begin with words such as which, that, whom, whose, who, and also call relative pronouns. Uh, Beside they can also begin with relative adverb is when and where. The types adjective clause is two. The first is defining adjective clause. Defining adjective clause, this one does not use comma. Defining adjective clause are used to explain important information. For example, the man who lives next door is a doctor. The man here is not clear who the person is. So, additional information is given with an adjective clause, namely who live next door. And second, modifying adjective clause is used comma, and modifying adjective clause to explain just extra information. The example, Dr. Kali who lives next door is a Richard surgeon. And this we already know from the Dr. Carey, the subjects, but we want to give additional information, namely who live next door. We can include the adjective clause, but use a comma. So for the example, the book had already been checked. In this sentence, the book independent clause, but uh, grammatically is this correct because there is a subject, the book, and a verb had already been checked. But it's a term of meaning. It's still unclear the book, and it's still unclear which book. So, uh, we give adjective clause which I won had already booked, and this identifying adjective clause with comma. And this adjective clause marker relative pronouns such as who, that, which, or relative adverb when and where. This is example who, US subjects people. Example-nya neurologist is doctor who specialist in the nervous system. Whom, object, these people. This is the patient who the doctor treat, and whose possessive people. Mr. Colin is the man whose house is rented. Which subject or object this is things. The example, that is a topic which interests me. Which a subject, that is the topic on which I will write. Which are subjects of preposition. That subjects or objects are people or thing. Um, the example or that is in public place can be enjoyed by everyone. That are subjects. And where use a place Example, here is the site where the bank plans to build its new headquarters. And last, when the first time, example, this is the hour when the children usually go to the bed. And like all clauses, adjective clauses must have a subject verb. In some cases, the adjective clause marker itself is the subject. In some cases, there is another subject. The example, the painting was very expensive, and Miss Wallace bought it. There are two different sentences. In this sentence, we want to give additional information about the painting, and which is in Miss Wallace. So the correct sentence, the painting which Miss Wallace bought was very expensive. Now we when combine it, we use which because the painting is an object. It is no longer need because which replace it. Okay, I think that's all for me. Back to the moderator.
Thanks to Marshanda. And uh, the next presentation from Shanas. To Shanas, time is yours.
Thank you to moderator. So I will explain about the incorrect ones. For the example, the painting which Mrs. Wallace bought, it was very expensive. This is a topic which fit interests me. This type of mistake is sometimes seen as distractions. When marker which, that, and whom are used as object and relative clauses, they can correctly be omitted. For the example, the painting Mrs. Wallace bought is very expensive, which committed. To explain, the adjective clause marker, which and whom can also be used as objects or prepositions. And the next example, that is the topic I will write on it. That is topic on which I will write. Next. Next, please. You might also see sentence with adjective clauses used in this pattern. Before the slide. Quantity words plus of relative clauses. He met with two advisors. He had known both of them for years. He met with two advisors, both of whom he had known for years. And I read a number of articles. Most of them were very useful. I read a number of articles, most of which were very useful. Any part of relative clause can be missed from the stem of the structured item, but most of them, the marker and the subject, if there is one, and the verb are missing any words. Next. Next. So we move to the sample items. Number 1, cable cars are moved by cables, blah, 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 underground and are powered by stationary engines. A, they run. B, that they run. C, run. D, that runs. The correct answer is D, because if we choose A, it's incorrect because the pronoun they cannot be used to join two clauses. This thought is incorrect because they as a subject pronoun is not suitable for connecting two clauses in this context. The correct sentence requires a relative phrase to describe the wireless. Choice B is not appropriate because the subject they is not needed in the adjective clause. The markers that serve as the objective of the clause. Choice C is incorrect because there is no marker to join the adjective clause to the main clause. This option is incomplete without that there is no link to explain the relationships between the main clause and the relative clause. With only run, the sentence feels incomplete. So the best answer is D, because that run function as a relative clause that describes cables. That is the linking word needed to describe the cables, and run is the verbs that show the action of the cables. The sample items number 2. The melting point is the temperatures, blah, 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 a solid change to a liquid. A, which, B, at which, C, which at, D, at. So the correct answer is B. If you choose choice A, is incorrect because a preposition is needed before the adjective clauses. These options explain that which requires a prepositions to connect the relative clauses with the main clauses. Without prepositions, the sentence feels incomplete. If you choose choice C, is the incorrect because the relative pronoun comes before the prepositions. It means which should not be followed directly by preposition like at. In relative clauses, preposition usually come after the relative pronoun. Choice D is incorrect because the relative pronoun has been omitted. So the best answer is B, because at which connect the temperature with a solid change to a liquid. In a grammatical way, the complete sentence is the melting point in the temperature at which a solid changes to a liquid. Next. Next. Sample item number 3. There are 6 types of flamingos. All blah 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 have long necks, and the backs that curve sharply downward. A of them, B that, C of which, and D they. If you choose A and D, do not contain connecting word needed to join clauses. If you choose B, does not follow the correct pattern of relative clauses after a quantity word or all. The correct pattern needed to complete the sentence is the quantity word plus of plus makers. And only C follow this pattern. So C is the best choice because follow the correct pattern after the quantity word of all. The complete sentence is there are 6 types of flamingo, all of which have long neck, and beaks that curve sharply downwards, of which connect 6 types of flamingos, with a clause explaining that all types of flamingo have certain characteristics. So that's all from me about the incorrect. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Shanas. That's all from group 1 to explain incomplete adjective clause. I'm sorry for the mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.